Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Pipedrive power-ups for Zoom meeting logging. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To update Pipedrive power-ups for Zoom meeting logging, start by opening your Pipedrive account. Log in using your credentials. Once inside, navigate to the top right corner of your dashboard. Click on your profile icon to access the drop-down menu. Select account settings from the list. On the left sidebar, find and click on Power-Ups. Scroll through the available power-ups until you locate the Zoom integration. Click on the Zoom power-up to open its settings. Review the current settings to see if any updates are necessary. If you see an option to update, click on the Update button. Follow any prompts to complete the update process. Once updated, navigate to your Zoom account. Log in to your Zoom account. Go to the Settings section found in the left sidebar. Scroll down to the Integrations section. Ensure Pipedrive is listed under your integrations. If Pipedrive is not connected, click on Manage to add it. Follow the instructions to integrate Pipedrive with your Zoom account. Once integrated, return to your Pipedrive account. Test the Zoom meeting logging feature by scheduling a meeting. Use the Add Meeting option within a contact in Pipedrive. Select Zoom as your meeting platform and fill in the meeting details. Once you save the meeting, check for the Zoom link that appears in the Pipedrive record. To confirm that logging is working, attend the scheduled Zoom meeting. After the meeting ends, return to your Pipedrive account. Check the relevant contacts record to see the meeting log automatically created. If the log appears, your update was successful. Review any further settings or options within the Zoom power-up for additional features. Congratulations, you've now updated the Pipedrive power-ups for Zoom meeting logging. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.